What we are now seeing is one of the recent con attacks that happened in Kaon. As we can see, this con agent used pepper spray on one of the civilians recording the altercation. The agent stated that she allegedly threatened to shoot one of his fellow colleagues. Bill, what is your take on this?
Personally, I agree with this agent. We have obviously seen that these people can be dangerous, so it's not unreasonable to assume that they would do something like this. This new stardom on hating Khan is absolutely outrageous. And that said, they wouldn't be scared of Khan if they just entered here legally.
Phil, you are aware that they have been detaining legal citizens, right?
Well, they've all been released, haven't they?
Actually, reports are saying that over 70% of people in these camps are legal citizens and or have no criminal record.
Yeah, right. The only reason it says that is because since they aren't legal, they have no way of tracking them. So of course they wouldn't have a record.
Phil, you do realize that your statement has been proven inaccurate by every single source.
I want you to give me one single source.
The National Service.
Don't believe it.
You can't just say you don't believe it. You're literally just choosing not to. And I'm going to guess that you now defend that they can now be allowed to break into your house without a warrant?
They could never break into my house. My bodyguards would stop them before they even passed the gate.
Stop trying to change the subject. Focus on the fact that they can also impersonate anyone they want and that they can use that to get into people's homes.
I don't think you heard me the first time when I said that you shouldn't be scared if you came here legally.
That's not even what we're talking about. All your points right now are completely irrelevant to what we are discussing. You haven't been able to disprove a single claim made today. We were discussing their own over-aggressive techniques, not if they shouldn't be scared.
This is how you guys do, huh? You aren't right just because you're louder.
We know a person is in here. We heard your TV play.
Who is it?
The individual is a child. I'm a delivery driver. I need you to sign this package.
You don't sound like the mailman.
Well, the guy that usually stops here got the flu and couldn't make it to work.
I don't believe you!
I promise. Look, I have Reese's Pieces out here, and if you come open the door for me, I give you some.
I'm allergic!
We'll just come to the door, put your name on this package, and we'll leave.
Who's we?
Oh, I decided to bring my friends along. They wanted to see how my work is. Just open the door!
I don't want to! My mom says never open the door to strangers!
Look, we're no strangers. We're friends of the mailman. Just open the door.
No, what my mom says is right.
You know, sometimes our parents aren't always right. Do you like candy?
Yeah?
Does your mom like candy?
No.
See? She doesn't like it, but you do. Is she right about that?
No.
So she isn't always right. So maybe she's wrong about us.
I guess so.
So come and open the door.
But...
Fuck it. Get on the ground. Never try and outrun us again, you little fucker.
Stop! You're hurting me!
Oh really? I thought we were patching you up.
Why are you hitting me?
You thought I joined Khan to protect the country? Well, it's an effect of it. But no, I joined Khan so I could have an excuse to beat down your kind.
Aw, why'd you get to beat him?
Remember the rock, paper, scissors match we had earlier to decide who got first pickings?
Ah, you're right.
Now, let's take him to the van.
Let me go!
Oh, he's trying to fight you.
I'm telling you, these little shits think they're way stronger than they really are.
What about you, though? How's it going with that little film of yours?
It's actually been going pretty good, thank you. I just finished the first.
Please! Don't shoot me!
Oh my, are you okay?
Bad guys are chasing me!
Bad guys?
Con! They're here!
Watch out! Get behind me, kid! Come out!
I got a better idea.
Here, let me pick you up, kid. I have a little station here that will keep you stable enough until paramedics arrive.
Am I gonna die?
I will not let you die, kid. I revoke the idea.
What is your emergency?
I have a kid here with me that has been shot.
Okay, sir, and what is your address?
2727 East Idaho Avenue.
How old is the child and how long ago did he get injured?
He looks around 10, and looks like it was very recent. Just get here now.
Okay, sir, I'm sending our medics. Just make sure he doesn't lose too much blood. And, sir, are you his parent?
No, he ran inside my door as he was being chased.
Do you know his parents?
They are Orion Pax and Solace Pax. Very hard-working people.
Do you know why they might be absent?
They work until 8 p.m. Now hurry up with the ambulance.
Sir, they shouldn't be leaving their child.
It's not their fault. These were the cards they were dealt. Now send them faster. You are going to be okay.
What is your name?
Optimus, nice to meet you.
My name is Gears.
Gears, huh? What a nice name. Now, I will need you to not talk anymore. We have to pressure as much as we can. No, don't cry. It's all going to be okay. They should be arriving soon. Just keep all the blood in your body. You're going to be okay. Stay with me. You hear that? They're coming.
Can you
Don't talk.
come with me to the hospital?
I promise I will.
Someone pass a needle.
Here.
What are you doing?
This is to release any trapped air and hopefully allow the lungs to re-expand.
I need a mask. Hey kid, breathe. We're gonna have to transport him.
Understood.
Be careful, he has a significant bullet wound.
Daddy!
What happened?
Some con agents broke in and shot him.
¿Dónde está ahora?
Their bodies are currently out back.
What?
Do you care more about the kid who got shot or the pieces of tin outside?
I'm sorry, I wasn't able to protect you.
Thank you so much. I always feared this day.
You're welcome. I couldn't just let them detain your son.
Thank you so much. Parents, we're gonna need to transport him to the hospital. His condition is too severe. Alright then.
Just one more. Te amo, Gears.
You're so strong.